Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the paneer from its wrap and pressing it for 5 to 15 minutes. This expels excess water so the mash doesn't go soggy. Once pressed, break the block into chunks and use a fork or coarse grater to create rough 1/2-inch pieces. This gives you controlled texture. If the paneer feels too soft, chill it for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to work quickly so it doesn't warm and become crumbly in the wrong way. You now mash with intent. Place paneer in a warm-proof bowl and start with gentle presses using a potato masher or fork, which preserves tiny curds for bite. Once the structure loosens, increase pressure with firmer strokes to reach the desired crumbly but creamy consistency. This two-stage method prevents a pasty result. If the mash looks dry, add 1 teaspoon of milk or oil at a time, only if needed, so you maintain lightness. You finish by folding in sautéed onions, tomatoes, and spices gently so the paneer retains those loose curds and small cohesive bits. Avoid aggressive stirring that creates a puree. Once combined, taste and adjust seasoning. Make sure the dish stays warm but not watery. If the mash is too wet, spread it on a hot pan and toss briefly until excess moisture evaporates. If it's too dry and crumbly, stir in 1 teaspoon of cream or milk at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.